If you frequently browse with lots of tabs open, finding the one you need can quickly become difficult. That's why Firefox includes tab groups, a feature that helps you keep related tabs organized and easy to manage. In this video, I'll show you how to organize tabs in Firefox using tab groups. Let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. To create a tab group, right-click any tab at the top of the browser. From the menu, select Add Tab to New Group. Firefox will immediately create a new tab group and ask you to customize it. You can start by giving the group a name. For example, you might create groups called Work, Research, Shopping, Travel, or Entertainment. Naming your groups makes it much easier to identify them later, especially when you're working with many tabs. You'll also have the option to choose a color for the group. Different colors can help visually separate projects and make navigation faster. Once your group has been created, you can add additional tabs to it by dragging them into the group. You can also right-click other tabs and choose the option to add them to an existing tab group. As your browsing session grows, this can help keep related pages neatly organized together. Another useful feature is that tab groups can be collapsed and expanded. Simply click the group label to hide or reveal all tabs inside the group. This reduces clutter on your tab bar and gives you more space for active tabs. If you decide a group is no longer needed, click the group label and open its options. From there, you can remove the group. Depending on the option you choose, Firefox may either keep the tabs open as individual tabs or close them along with the group. Tab groups are especially useful for students, researchers, professionals, and anyone who regularly multitasks in the browser. Instead of managing dozens of unrelated tabs, you can keep everything neatly organized into categories. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to organize tabs in Firefox using tab groups. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Firefox tutorials, productivity guides, browser customization tips, and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.